Good evening, my dear friends, my dear masters, and my dear gods. Mahavatar TV welcomes you all to the 21 days holistic wellness and meditation program, batch 17, day 6. So, before commencing the session, I offer my sincere pranamas to our great grandmaster, Mahavatar Babaji, our grandmaster, Brahmashri Subhash Patriji sir, and our beloved Guruji, Master Ranganath sir. So, today we will learn about mudras. This is also helps in detoxification of body and mind. So first one, I will start with the Ksepana mudra. It is very easy. You have to just place your index finger, lay them straight, and clasp the rest fingers like this. And then the thumb goes here. It should cross and touch the hollow like this. So this is a mudra, Ksepana mudra we call it. And you have to make sure if you are standing, you have to, the index finger should be directed towards the ground like this. And if you are lying down, the index finger should point towards your feet. So this mudra helps in the cleansing process of the body. So it stimulates the elimination process, and the human body eliminates from large intestine, skin, through sweating, and from lungs. This for long time because the fresh energy also caused to flow out, because this mudra encourages the negative energy to flow out from your body, following by the absorption of positive energy. So practice this mudra for 7 to 15 counts of breathing, like a normal breathing, and the focus should be more on the exhalation. That is, minimum 3 long exhalation or sighs should be there. Like if you are breathing out with long exhalation for 3 times. And the next mudra is Mushti mudra. Very easy. So that is making fist. But we will do is by bending the fingers inward and by placing this thumb on the ring finger. So this is the correct way of doing Mushti mudra. So Mushti mudra, it activates the liver and stomach, promotes digestion. This is also very helpful in digestion. And when we are angry or when we get aggressive, aggression is arising, we subconsciously do this, right? If you see children, and we subconsciously, we are doing this sometimes when we get angry. So this is because this will release all the negative emotions. Okay, we will take up it later. So negative emotions, the aggressions should not be suppressed, masters. So suppressing aggression will lead to the health problems related to liver and heart diseases, and it also it causes the anxiety issues. So the release of the aggression is very important. How to do this? So you can practice this mudra for 15 minutes. You can hold this just like this, or you can make a fist and punch pillows, or you can dance. So it is just like releasing the negative emotions from the body. And after this, just when you get calm, just look at the causes and develop the strategy as to how it triggers and how this can be eliminated. Affirmation you can practice while doing this mudra is you will remain quiet and serene in every overwhelming situation. So this is all about mudras. Okay. So first one I will repeat again. See, this is Ksepana mudra. Bhavana ma'am, can you see? Sorry, Bhuvana ma'am. Here. So the first, this index fingers should be straight and it should be touching each other. And the thumbs, clasp the fingers and cross the thumb and place them in the hollow of each other. And there should be small hollow space between your palms like this. Can you see? Hollow space. I will share the picture. Okay. So this is Ksepana mudra. So little space should be there between your hands and the index finger should be laying straight, touching each other, and the thumbs should be crossed and kept in the hollow of the thumb. That's it. Okay, any questions, Master? Ma'am, both the mudras will help you in detoxification of body, ma'am. That is, promotes digestion, elimination, excretion, and also it eliminates the negative energy, negative emotions, anger, all these negative emotions will be released. Practicing both the mudra will help in both cases.